Your home assistant can make you lazy, but this is the only time being lazy ever felt right. But the thought of owning a home assistant can seem tedious and complicated, even expensive. But it is more appealing than you think. Here are the top 5 reasons why you should use a home assistant. Hardware. With all the perks a home assistant comes with, it can be even easier to set up when you consider the number and variety of hardware available that you can use your home assistant on. Whether it is cost or performance, various hardware meets the need. From viral machines to Docker containers to Python virtual environment, you can explore all of these various devices to use your home assistant on. Another option is to burn a home assistant image on a bootable storage and take it from here. Additionally, you can also purchase the Home Assistant Blue or the Home Assistant Yellow, which are all ready-to-use devices you can easily set up. Like the Samsung SmartThings Hub, both the Home Assistant Blue and Home Assistant Yellow are plug-and-play devices, ridding you of the extra hassle of technical and long process steps. Integrations. The availability and variety of hardware is not the only thing spoiling the prospects of the Home Assistant for choice. Integration is another excellent factor for which you need to get a home assistant compared to ones like Amazon Echo or Ubitat. Did you know that the Home Assistant supports over 2,000 different domains and brands? And this is going to get even better and much more impressive in the near future. What does this mean for you, you ask? These various integrations simply mean that you can use different smart home devices, such as a switch or a sensor with its accompanying differing technologies from the various brands, all under one platform. This means the Home Assistant gives you the best of several worlds at a go. This is a great advantage because without it, you will have to go through either of 2 less appealing options. Firstly, you will have to limit yourself to a particular use of devices and operational technology from just one brand. That kind of monopoly only limits you and restricts you from exploring and stretching the possibilities and operations of smart home devices as much as possible. Also, it is very expensive. The other option is the opposite of the first. You will have to settle for a multi-operational system where you possess different devices from different brands for different uses and operate from other apps. The lack of coordination between these devices can rid you of the opportunity of creating convenient self-automation. As we go along, we will discuss another critical point that can help you organize your home assistant effectively: updates. Here is another great reason you should have a home assistant. You always get to look forward to something new. This comes by way of updates, predictable monthly updates, and we should add that they are very useful too. The Home Assistant updates are intensive, intentional, and exciting due to the fact that the Home Assistant in itself is an open source project. That means the various contributors who partner on it create fresh and needed updates. These updates come with bug fixes, new integrations, new features, and sometimes even whole new sections. For instance, on a particular Home Assistant update, a new energy section was added where users could track and control their energy consumption while adding different sources without breaking a sweat. Now, while it is highly unlikely these updates will corrupt your system, in case any such problems occur, the efficient Home Assistant backup is available to correct that mishap. Further down this video, we will talk some more about the added backup advantage, so do stick around. Companion app. Another reason why you should use a Home Assistant is the awesome companion app it comes with. The best thing about these companion apps is that you can see them on any device, whether it's an Android, an iOS, or a macOS. What's more, these apps have embedded device trackers, push notifications, and various such actively developed features. Now, to enable the companion app to work as it should, you may have to allow a secure HTTPS connection to your Home Assistant installation, buy the official Nabu Casa Cloud subscription, or set up a VPN that can help you access your home network remotely. Notwithstanding, this is a small price to pay for the needful advantage of being able to control and have oversight of your smart home from wherever you are at any given time. Backups. The Home Assistant backup is really the cherry on top of the cake of its advantage. Or maybe it is the cake itself, and here's why. With the consistent updates provided for the Home Assistant comes an option to always back up before the updates begin. This option is available in the native Home Assistant Tools section of the program and can either be done manually or automated to save you the hassle. For instance, you can set it automatically to run at a regular schedule, or you can load them on the cloud. When you perform these backups, you can easily fall on them when you need to reverse an update on your operational device or a new one. This way, you don't have to worry about ever losing your data. So now you know why you should own a Home Assistant, but do you know how to set up one? Watch this video to find out. See you in the next video.